to the left.
Right here.
Hey, it's good.
No, I'm gonna hide.
That's a little late, buddy.
And round 6.
Come on! Yeah!
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 You didn't Honk though.
He stared at us.
Come on! Come on! You know you want to!
How can they do this?
They're probably taking
They're
they're probably taking so long to comprehend the sign. They're like, they get like 100 years and they're like, oh yeah!
This guy's definitely honking.
Come on!
There's a guy in a minivan. What do you expect?
Come on, Honk.
Yeah! Let me get the sign.
James, you don't freak out. Oh, that's funny.
Honk if you see this sign. Like, what are you, like, fucking retarded?
Like this.
How do you not see this sign?
Maybe they just don't want to listen to it. They don't believe in it.
Alright, yeah, maybe this will help.
Yeah!
They're like,
Yeah, that's pretty different, I gotta say.
Ready? Look at that. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam,
Look
bam.
at his ear.
It's purple because some asshole threw ice out of a window and hit him in the sign.
Yeah.
Ready? We were holding up this nice, friendly sign.
Honk if you see this.
A nice, friendly sign, and the asshole wants to throw ice from Taco Bell. I'm suing Taco Bell for making their ice so high.
Yeah, making their ice too hard.
they fucking.
Come on.
That guy was laughing.
Oh god. He speeds up. What's up again? What is happening?
I don't get how, like, I'm pretty sure they all read it.